Okay, I'm with.
Andrea.
And what does this mean, Andrea?
Um,
Do you remember? Who can help her?
I don't know the
Parentheses,
multiplication, division,
exponents,
addition, and subtraction.
multiply and divide from left to right. You have to say from left to right. And then add and subtract from left to right. The way I explain it is you work in the parentheses, but the adding and the subtracting are the very last things to do. They separate things. Well, this one is going to be just a takeaway, but this means I'm going to even change the color here, which you can do. Okay? This whole thing is one term. This is another piece. It's separated by that. So I'm going to figure all of this out first. Then I'm going to look and say, well, this whole thing is another term because it's separated by this guy. And when I'm finished, I'm going to have this minus whatever's left over. I got to do the inside first. So what's 6 minus 8?
-2.
Okay, so in this piece over here, I got -2. I know she knows this stuff. And now I have a 3 minus, I'm just doing this piece, 4 times -2. Which one gets done last? It's going to be 3 and this whole thing wrapped together because this is the minus that's going to separate the two of them. So 4 times -2 is what?
Isn't it -4 times -4?
Yeah, no, I go 3 minus and then I just do this piece right here.
Okay, -8.
Okay, so it's 3 minus a -8 because that's what this piece is. Okay, so what's 3 minus a -8?
11.
Got it. This really turns into, what I do is say, show me the work. That turns to a plus, and this piece is 11. Okay, well that's the whole bracket here. I made this whole thing into here, and there's a 2 times it. So let's work on this piece. What's 2 times this going to be?
22.
Okay, so I have 22. The last thing is the 5 and a minus, because I made all of this, that red area, into 1. So what's 5 minus 22? What's 5 minus 22? Minus 17, right? Minus 17. You say, thank you very much. Okay, you can wave goodbye. You're allowed to draw a smiley face if you want to. Just don't make it look like me. Okay? Take this and hit stop.